Alright, this video is going to be a bit of a big one in this series compared to the other videos of this series. Now what I want to do in this video is, so what we have learned from the previous videos, I want you to practice those things into making sheets that you really need or require in your day-to-day life, for office work, for your personal work, or anything maybe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the knowledge of the previous videos to make a mental math practice sheet, because I need to practice mental math. So this sheet is going to be for me, but you can try to practice other stuff as well, or you can just follow along the video to make the same sheet for yourself if you're interested. And if you're not interested, you can just follow the previous videos to make whatever sheet you need. Okay, so for me it's going to be mental math practice sheet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a cell here. It's going to be a multiplication cell, so let's just do 12, then we go there, giving an X sign, giving 15. Now from here I'm going to take 10 cells first. Let me adjust the size of it. There you go. It's centered, and I want an equal sign here, and there you go. It's just going to be an equal sign. There you go. Now 1, 2, 3. There you have 10 cells. Making a border. There you go. Now after the border, what I want to do is I want to fix the alignment here. Now I have fixed the alignment. So here is where our answer is going to be. We have to input the answer here. So let's just write input. There you go. Now we have to input the answer here. And this is going to be our marks or messages or warning messages. Let's just say, let's call it validation. I'm just calling it validation. Okay, there you go. Now in input, we're going to be inputting data. There we have validation. Now I want another cell here, so let's take this one for example, and this cell is going to be equals to whatever is in here, and then multiplied with whatever is in here. There we go. Let's make it for all of them. There you go. Now for validation, I'm going to use the if function. So equals if, well, if whatever I put in here is equals to whatever the result was supposed to be. If true, you'll write correct, and if false, it will give us try again. Let's go. There we go. That's correct, and let's try again. And then if, then we have that, and I'm just going to multiply it for all of these. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hide this entire column. There you go. Now from view, I'm just going to remove the grid lines. Here are the input cells. Let's give them a bit of a color. I like colors, so there you go. And the text color for them, let's give it a color we can see in there. I don't like the yellow color. Let's try purple. Alright, then we just have to copy this sign, Control C, select the range of cells, Control V, hit accept, Control C, select the range of cells, Control V, There you go. Now I just need to put in random numbers. So if I put 56 here, let's just try again. And if I put 42 here, it says correct. Okay. Now we can use data validation to give this. Sorry about that, not data validation. I'm going to use conditional formatting. Let's go and equals to. Now, format cells. If it shows up, try again. Okay, there you go. Let's go to conditional formatting again. Not between, sorry about that. Not that. Equals to, if it comes correct, then green fill. Okay, there you go. Now I can make whatever multiplication problem here for my practice, and I can just put in the data and see if I have given the correct value or not. Now this was just for multiplication. Now I can make the same thing for addition, subtraction, and division. Okay, so I'll be doing the same thing over and over again here. So let's not make the video big and end it here. So before I go, what I can do is let's give it outside borders, and I need a center line here, so all borders for only him. There you go. Let's give them borders as well. Yeah, that looks better. Alright, so that was it. So you can use your imagination to make whatever kind of sheet you want. And that was it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.